This is a used 2013 Chrysler Town & Country, powered by front-wheel drive, a 3.6-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 25,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. The features include leather seats, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, an auxiliary input, steering wheel controls, a DVD system, aluminum rims, auto-dimming mirrors, dual temperature controls. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, fog lights, side airbags, second and third row head airbags, brake assist, traction control. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us. River Valley Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 850 Fern Drive, Baldwin, Wisconsin 54002.